Innovations in technology have brought important changes and advancements to teaching. I'm going to show you a few ways that technology can be used to facilitate learning and mathematical instruction. Classroom technology can generally be divided into two categories: conveyance technology and mathematical action technology. Conveyance technology is not specific to math, but it can be used to transmit or receive information in ways that are helpful to math instruction. This includes methods of presentation, communication, collaboration, and assessment. These types of technology can be used as a vehicle to engage students in mathematical sense-making and reasoning. One example of this would be a smartboard or interactive whiteboard. These boards are not specific to math because they can be used for a variety of purposes, but they can be used to facilitate learning, engage students, and make abstract concepts more concrete and accessible to students. By contrast, mathematical action technology is specifically designed for mathematical tasks. This generally includes tools, software, and applications. Mathematical action technology can be used to provide students with access to approaches and tasks that would not otherwise be available. An example of this type of technology is a graphing calculator, which can be used to solve and graph mathematical equations. Introducing these types of technology alone is not enough to facilitate effective mathematical learning or instruction. Instead, teachers should carefully select the appropriate technology based on the goals of the lesson. To do this, teachers should first fully understand the content that they are going to teach, explore their options, and consider alignment between the activity and the lesson's goals. The technology that they select should illustrate mathematical ideas, pose mathematical problems, provide opportunities for students to engage in mathematical sense-making and reasoning, or elicit evidence of students' mathematical thinking. Once appropriate technology is selected for use in the classroom, the teacher will need to effectively implement it to maximize student learning. Most importantly, teachers will need to utilize questioning to encourage students to make justifications, conjecture, generalizations, or predictions. Questions should also be used to better understand student strategy and promote critical reflection. Observation and questioning can provide insight into student thinking, which can inform important teaching decisions and whether the technology used was effective. Using technology in mathematical instruction can have important benefits in student learning. It provides opportunities for students to visualize and interact with mathematical concepts through exploration and engagement. One way in which this can be done is through virtual manipulatives. Like traditional manipulatives, these provide visual representations of mathematical concepts. Students can interact with these manipulatives to make meaning and see relationships as a result of their actions. Using virtual manipulatives creates even more opportunities for students to explore, as they are not limited in quantity or actions. As with traditional manipulatives, however, they should always be contextualized, supporting important concepts, and driven by questioning. Outside of student learning, technology also provides opportunities for connecting with parents in ways that can support the child's academic performance. Websites, blogs, and messaging apps can be used to keep in touch with parents and update them with what is happening in the classroom. When parents understand what their child is learning, they can reinforce this content at home, and this contributes to increasing student understanding, engagement, and commitment to learning. Like any classroom tool, technology can be beneficial when used effectively. It could also be detrimental if it is applied in inappropriate ways. Before bringing technology into a math lesson, teachers should carefully consider their goals and how that technology will improve or maximize student learning. From there, teachers have almost endless options of the types of technology that they can use to engage students, promote critical thinking, and strengthen knowledge.